Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to share that how to create a professional Patreon account for free. So first of all, you need to come on a browser. You can go to on like Mozilla Firefox anywhere. Search simply you have to search in the search bar Patreon. 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 Okay, after searching that, you have to scroll down a little bit and you have to press on home Patreon and log in or sign up. So if you simply press on login or in sign up, simply you will go and login and sign up option. So first of all, you can create a Patreon account three ways. Like if you want to create an account directly, so without updating your name or anything else, so simply you can go with continue with Google, or if you are a Apple user, so a special iPhone user, so you can continue with Apple, or if you want to create your Patreon account with Facebook, and create on this account. So I will create this account manually so that if anytime my I faces some problem with my like Gmail account, I will be able to sign in this account. So for this purpose, I'm just gonna create this account with my Gmail manually. Sure. Yeah, and I will press on next, and then I will provide my name here, and now I will have to give a strong password. I'm gonna give it, and then I will press on continue. Yeah, we have successfully created an account, but we have to verify our email. So verify our email, we can do it from here as well, but we will not do it right now. We will take a new tab and we will go to our Gmail, and then we will verify this one. And we have gotten a mail. We will open it and press on confirm email. Okay, so our account is verified now. Okay, so we will press on refresh. So then we will come on the page. Okay, so first, and we have successfully created our account. So we can to become a member. We can to become a member, or especially like creator, we need to press on get started. Like if you wanna just press on continue, and you have to page your page name here. So I'm gonna give it. If your page is suitable, or for if your page is not suitable for under 18, so we will press on here. So I will press on that. I'll press on next. And I've gotten a username here, so I'll press on continue. And then if you want, so you can connect to any account if you wish. So I'm gonna skip it for now. Okay, this is our home page, and from here, like you can upload your post and anything else if you want. Like here, you can upload your picture if you wish. Like the recommended picture is 10 by 24. It's recommended. You need to upload a picture. You can like add a portfolio. You can describe about your page, like anything else. You can write down like that. And first of all, you'll have to do the profile picture. So then everything will be okay. Just give a picture here, and then I will just simply press on that. Hi, hello, Mr. Ahmed. Okay, so press on save. So manually you can do it and make your first. Okay, make your first public post. So press on it. Before posting, we need to do it save now and make a first with a link, and we'll post content like that. Hi and hello everyone. Then press on upload. Next, publish. Okay. So now publish your page. First name will be. You also can edit your name after creating. Don't worry about it if you made any kinds of mistake. Your page is ready. Okay. So we have completed our all the tasks, and now you can create any post if you wish.